Illinois is known as a prairie state. Much of the prairie has been torn up to make way for farming. Farming is a good thing, but some ground is not good for farming. The prairie here used to be farm ground, but was planted back into prairie. Now prairie is said that it will naturally come back because of the seeds stored in the ground. But after several years of farming, the seeds are exposed to too much air and too much of different nutrients. So this prairie was planted. And then other native wildflowers and plants and even trees started to come back. Illinois used to have a lot more timber and forest area. A lot was cleared for farming also. Over the years, farmers have begun to turn some of this ground back into prairie and timber areas. These are natural oaks that have been some have been planted by us, but most have been naturally put there. A little fact, the state tree of Illinois, the white oak, and the shingle oak both keep their leaves during the winter. And how farmers can tell when they can start farming is when the old leaves fall and the new leaves are the size of a mouse's ear. And you never know just when you're going to see wildlife. The ground does not hold moisture very well. That is why the prairie grasses and trees grow very deep, some even down to 8 feet. Since the soil doesn't hold moisture well, it contributed to the Dust Bowl. Now that we have more prairies and more timberlands are being planted, erosion has been less. On our property, we have several fields that we are turning back into timber. We planted a lot of seedlings that are doing great, like this one I am standing by. It is just a small little oak. Wildlife is all around, whether deer or raccoons, even sometimes mountain lions are spotted around our area. In these areas, deer bed down, either in the winter or sometimes in the middle of summer. These are more seedlings that are on our property. These are natural. They came up by themselves. And you never know when a farm cat that looks like a lion's going to appear.